children.
Hi sir.
See children, we finished the rhyme school is from. Isn't it finished? Yeah. Now in page number, what is the page? 16. In page number 16, two sentences are given under the column conventions of writing. Do you know what this column conventions of writing gets? Now I am going to tell you. Okay. See, I wrote two different sentences on the blackboard. Can you read?
How
Wait. Is it how or who?
Who?
Yeah, very good.
Who was Ekalavya?
Who was Ekalavya? Yeah. Who was Ekalavya? Ekalavya was a young and active boy. So this is the first sentence I wrote on the blackboard. Next.
He
Is it side said? He said.
I am the son of
Well, I am the son of the chief of Nishadas. So here we can find some mistakes in this writing. Now I am going to tell you what they are. Are you all ready? See. Yeah. See, whenever we start a sentence, we have to start the sentence with the first letter with capital. You see, whether the sentence is started with capital letter? Isn't it a capital letter? Yes. W is a capital one, so you no mistake here. So we can write W capital. Who was Ekalavya? Very good. Who was Ekalavya? Listen to me, children. You see, who was Ekalavya? So, I tell you something. Here, a full stop is given. What is given, children? So, when we put a full stop, we put a full stop after completion of a sentence. For example, I am a teacher. So, it is a statement. I am a teacher. It is a sentence. This is a chair. This is a table. This is a classroom. So, as these are all sentences, we put a full stop. But who was Ekalavya? If I ask, who are you? Is this a sentence? No. What is this? Question. So, here, instead of this full stop, what we are supposed to write? Question mark. Who was Ekalavya? Here, question marks is needed. Okay? Instead of the full stop, we wrote question mark. Okay? Did you understand? Here, there is a difference between this writing and the writing that we are writing right now. See, here full stop is given, but instead, as this sentence is a question, we are supposed to write the question mark instead of full stop. Clear? Now, okay, here we corrected the first mistake here. Next, Ekalavya was a young and active boy. Do you think no mistake here? Don't you think mistakes are here? I'll let you know what the mistakes are. Else you want to tell me what the mistakes are. Ekalavya. Do you think the word Ekalavya is correct?
Not.
Why do you think it is not correct? E. The letter which? Here E. Do you think is the letter E wrong? Why? Yeah, it is. It should be capital E because it is a proper noun, a name of a person, and it is a sentence. First letter is a sentence. So, in these two aspects, it should be the capital one. So, Ekalavya. See, children, I tell you something. If you want to write someone's name like Raju, if you write Raju, do you think it is correct?
Not.
Why don't you think it is correct?
R
R should be the capital one. So, whenever we write a person's name, the first letter should be the capital. So likewise, here also active boy, wasn't he?
Yes, sir.
So we are talking about him how actually he was. So as it is a sentence, there should be a full stop. Clear? So how many mistakes we found here? Yeah, here instead of this full stop, we put a question mark, and instead of this small e, we wrote the capital E, and the spelling mistake is here we found out. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And here see, instead of this question mark, we put a full stop. So how many mistakes? 1, 2, 3. We found 3 mistakes in the first sentence. Clear? So whenever we write, we should be very careful. We must be aware that how our writing should be. Okay. Next. He said. Do you think there is a mistake? He said.
Yes.
Where do you find a mistake? No, there is no mistake.
No.
So he said, yeah, comma, I am the son. See, if you see the word I am, do you think it is correct? I am. Instead of the word I am, we can say I am. So if we want to write I here apostrophe and am. I am. Clear? But this quotation mark not given here. This is called apostrophe. I am the son of the chief of. Here Nishadas given. Do you think the word is correct? Nishadas? Then what the correct word is? Nishada. Of Nishada. Very good. So here, full stop. Clear? So here in this one, how many mistakes we found? Here 1, 2. So here, this section is called conventions of writing. We are supposed to write the wrongly given words. We are supposed to write them correctly. Okay. The wrong word should be written correctly. So this is conventions of writing. Did you understand what I said now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.